Morning, guys. Check this out. I just got my DAIWA Legalis. It's the C5000, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for you. This is the Legalis LT5000C. The gear ratio for every one turn, 5.2 to 1. That's pretty good, right? Most reels, good reels are like that. And when I turn this handle one full turn, that brings in 34.5 inches of line. So the mono capacity for 10 pounds is 106 yards. But if you were to go 20-pound braid, that would be 230 yards, which is probably what I'm going to do with this one, but I'm not sure yet. Other choice was 30 yards at 230, but I don't know if I want to go 30. And for those extreme, we have 40 pounds for 160, but the way I feel is if you're going to go up to 40 pounds, you're better off getting the bigger unit, the 6,000, rather than the 5. Bearings, 5 plus 1. Of course, the plus 1 is the roller bearing. Max drag is 26.4, which kind of leads me to the assumption that a lot of these sub $100 class reels, because they have the same 26.4 rating, said they're all using the same system, which I could be right, I could be wrong, I don't know yet. The weight, of this is 8.5 pounds. I didn't realize it, but these reels are made in Vietnam, and it carries a 1-year limited warranty. So make sure you turn in your warranty. The reason why these newer type of reels nowadays are so light, because right now the only thing really solid metal is the handle, um, bell arm, spool. The body is a composite, resin carbon composite, but back in the day, the whole thing was metal, so it was heavier. So inside you get the air rotor and the air bell system. That's all held together by the outside body. It is strategically placed to make sure that everything feels weighted perfectly. And it has Daiwa's tournament drag and a digitally cut Digigear. So that are Daiwa trademarks. So that's part of how everything's laid out here in a certain way to maximize the weight and how it's placed. Plus, it looks awesome and it feels good. It's very light, very well balanced. So there's currently 8 models of this available, and make sure to turn in your warranty because you got 1 year manufacturer's limited warranty. Thank you. This here is my second one. The other one I got was a 6,000. This is the 5. So the 5 would be more all day kind of playing around with. The 6 I'm gonna is a more heavy duty, and I already have it spooled with 40 Power Pro, which is insane considering I was able to get 300 yards on it. And I like to say that this is my first time using Daiwa. I haven't hit the field yet. The weather's been really bad here, but I think I'm going to be pleasantly surprised because I have friends that tell me it feels like a Shimano. Some others say it's not as smooth as a Shimano, while others again say, hey, but it has more power. So I'm going to have to figure this out myself, all right? But thanks again for listening. Aloha.